Hello and welcome back. Thanks for joining. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marilyn. I'm with SE Creations, and if you want to follow me along on this journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So tonight, it is nighttime. I am going to do gonna try to do some fall colors. Gonna do a Dutch pour using fall colors. So I haven't used this one yet. Some of them I have mixed up some custom colors, so I'll show you what I used. But I'm going to use this Burnt Sienna by Liquitex, and I got some new Arteza paints. And this one, it's an iridescent, and it just has a number on it. It's super pretty. It's like kind of those kind of brown colors, but it's got like a little purple sheen to it. And it's an A714. So I don't know if you can figure that. I'll when I get started, I'll show you the box that it came in with all the different ones. It's just the iridescent colors. This is actually a mixture of, I'll show you what I used. I used the Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue by Liquitex and Rich Espresso by Deco Art. So I mixed these two colors together, and this is what it came up with. Let's see if I can get it without spilling it. So it's kind of this mustardy yellow kind of color. It's kind of cool. So we'll see how it looks on the canvas. And then the other color I did, I started mixing it with Titanium Buff by Golden, and then I used Black Mars by Atelier. So I mixed those a little bit. I knew I was going to have to add some color. So I think I added a little bit more of this yellow to it. But it just kind of gave just a very light beige kind of color, if you can see that in there. Anyway, so I just wanted some colors like that, just something a little more fall, since it is October. Even though here it doesn't feel like fall, it feels like summer. It was 100 degrees today. Go figure. Someday we'll get some cooler weather, I hope, over in the next week, maybe. So anyway, I will spin you around and get started. So I have my 16 by 20 inch gallery wrapped canvas, and I have it all taped off and leveled over here, so it's all ready to go. I used some old canvases from the very beginning of time to put the bigger canvases on my spinner. I don't like to use the spinner so much when I'm doing a Dutch pour, but I put it on there so it doesn't sink down and put pressure on the middle of the canvas. So it gives it more support. Okay, I mixed up some paint. I'm just going to add a little bit of just the rich espresso by itself. I did mix it with some other stuff, so let's see if it gives just a little bit different. I don't want to put too much on there. I'm so glad I did add a little bit more of the burnt sienna. I love that color in there. Oh yeah, and then the color that I mixed up that had that, I was going to show you the box actually. It's the Iridescent by Arteza. So that color, it's that A7716. That's super pretty in there. Yeah, it really did have some fall-like colors. I'm going to see if I can blow this out a little bit more. See what happens if I blow in here. Oh yeah. So I'm actually blowing down a little bit into where it has these other colors popping up out of here. It's creating some cells. I'm going to go ahead and spin it around so I can get to it without leaning into it. Oh, I can fix that edge. just want to tweak a couple little things on it. Okay, I think that's enough tweaking. I'll bring you down for a close-up. I absolutely love how this turned out. It's definitely fall colors, perfect for this time of the year. I can't wait to see how this dries and then put the resin on it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.